Hello and welcome to the IATEFL 2019 conference app. In this video, we will navigate the program section of the app. This year, you're able to view the program by day. You can add filters, add sessions to your schedule, and take notes that you can later on download. If you press on the program button here, you will see that you're able to navigate the program by day. Here I see April the 2nd, April the 3rd, April the 4th, and April the 5th. The information I get for each of the sessions, I see the name of the presenter, the title of the session, the time of the session, the venue, and also the type of session. For example, the first one here, how to submit a speaker proposal, is a how-to session. If I want, I can press on that filter function at the bottom right corner of my screen, and I can add a filter to make my search a little bit easier. So I can choose, based on what I'm interested in, any of these categories. So if I'm only interested in a plenary session, then all I see here is plenary talks. I can see the main plenary talk session, but I can also see the follow-up sessions, a Q&A session with the plenary speakers that are scheduled for this particular day. If I want to change my search and choose another category, now I chose pop-up presentations, and all I see here is a list of all the pop-up presentations for this particular day. So far, we've seen how to navigate the program session by day or by adding filters. If I am interested in a particular event, let's say the plenary session of this particular day, I can save it to my schedule just by pressing this star next to the event. I've saved now this plenary session, which I can find under my schedule. To view my schedule, I need to go to my profile. This I can do by pressing my initials on the top right corner of the app, then press my schedule, and if I choose the day and I see the event I'm interested in attending. Now there are two options. I can download this schedule by pressing the download function here. This redirects me in this screen, which allows me to add the sessions to my phone's calendar. This way it's easier for me to set notifications so that I don't miss an event. Going back here, and if I press this session, I also have the opportunity to make notes through the app. There is this Make Notes button at the bottom of the application, which allows me to write my notes here. For example, here I can write notes. I can also add an image. Perhaps I might want to take a snapshot of one of the slides, and I can save my notes by pressing save. My notes now have been saved. Going to my profile, I can press my notes. I'll be able to see the session. I press on that, and here are my notes. so I can review them, I can go back, I can edit them, I can see the screenshots I took, and I can access them after the event.